This video will take a look at enabling dedupe and compression stats for a diskless ILIO controller. The steps are only valid for diskless ILIO controller types. Disk-backed ILIO controllers would use a different method for obtaining dedupe and compression stats. In this example, a session host and diskless ILIO controller version 4.1.1 will be used. For each ILIO controller, the Atlantis Computing fast clone utility was used to create multiple full clone VMs from a base VM image that is residing on the respective ILIO controllers. In ILIO Centers Manage tab, the version column reports the ILIO function type of each respective ILIO controller. This can also be verified from an ILIO console session. Log into the ILIO console session. Default user login credentials are power user, power user. Type cat /etc/ilio/release-version. This will display the version of the ILIO controller and will report diskless if the ILIO is a diskless type. Type mount. This will reference the mounted devices with file systems. In this example, the left PuTTY session window is a session host as noted by the /dev/md0 device for the multiple device array connected to its paired replication host. The right PuTTY session window is a diskless ILIO controller as noted by the /dev/zram0 indicating that the diskless ILIO controller is using compression which is recommended. If not using compression, the mounted device would be a /dev/ram0. Change directories to /opt/ramstats and list the contents. There is a ramstats.py command that can be ran to get dedupe and compression stats on the session host by typing /ramstats.py/-p. This same command, when ran on a diskless ILIO controller, will return a stack trace error. This is due to the ramstatslib.py file being configured for an MD0 device, which can be modified for a ZRAM0 device. Before making any changes, make a backup of the ramstatslib.py file by typing cp/ramstatslib.py ramstatslib.py.bak. Confirm the backup file has been created by listing the contents of the directory. Next, type vi/ramstatslib.py to edit the Python script. Type /MD0. This will search the script for the reference characters MD0 applicable to a session host. Press the Insert key to enter insert mode in a text editor. Change each reference of MD0 to ZRAM0 for a diskless ILIO controller using compression. Remove the .strip parentheses reference. Verify the configuration. Press the Escape key to exit the text editor's insert mode. Type :WQ! To save the changes to the file. Rerun the ramstat script by typing /ramstats.py/-p, which should now report the dedupe and compression ratios similar to the session host. Higher dedupe percentages suggest that the ILIO has more like data on the VMs that is deduped to save storage space. Lower dedupe percentages suggest that there is more unique data on the hosted VMs that are unable to be deduped, thus consuming more storage space. It is recommended to run Microsoft's sdelete utility on maintenance schedules during non-production hours to delete data that NTFS has flagged for deletion, although not committed the delete operation on the VM, and to zero the respective blocks, freeing up storage space. Alternatively, use supported third-party trim commands to perform a similar function. This concludes this video on enabling dedupe and compression stats for diskless ILIO controllers.